We're going to get someone for food. I'm going to make lunch today. We're gonna make veg and non-veg biryani. Guys, it's the next day. It's 7 a.m. again. We had some dinner, we chilled, all of us, and we were just chit-chatting up there on the terrace. And now we're going for a walk. You're so pretty! The two of them. Look. In case you guys are wondering why I'm walking on a PJ set only, because I forgot to carry walking clothes for today. Just set of night set. Like I have like a couple of them, so yeah, so I'm wearing it right now. But it's pretty chill, like it's fine. These are comfortable, these are made of cotton. And no one really cares in Mangalore, so it's good. It's chill. So you make a dish which is like idli, which is called noodle out here. So the leaf that we use is this one. Guys, so this is what our South Indian breakfast looks like. I'll run out through. So this is called buns. It's kind of sweet but very tasty. Then this is made what I'm sure most of us don't know what this is. This pundi arrabed. Made of rice. How do you call this? It's made out of rice, but then you also like marinate the gravy. It's very tasty. And here we have upma. I'm sure most of you all know what upma is. And sajjike. Sajjike are these rice kind of flakes. It's a mixture of sweet and spicy. Then we have pineapple sheer out here. Very tasty, sweet. I'm sure most of you all would know what this is also. And this is one of my favorites. It's called Boli Bhajan. It's maida balls, huh? Maida balls and donut. Kind of donut, but it's not sweet. It's salty and spicy types. Then we have rasam, sambar and chutney to go with it. So this is what our breakfast for today looks like. Yum. Hi guys, so it's after breakfast. We've all like showered and ready. Now we're going to get someone for food. I'm going to make lunch today. With the help of my Didi. We're gonna make veg and non-veg biryani. Yeah. Guys, we are back to the juice shop where we get it for 10 rupees. Yum. Hi guys, some behind the scenes. Rice is boiling. All this stuff here. My helper is here. Nice. Incha banle jara.
Number one.
Nice. Haven't we eat? Hi guys, quickly wanted to share this hand cream that I have been loving in this trip. I carried it and it's so cute and tiny, perfect for travel size. So this one's the Wow Skin Science Avocado Hand Cream. It's got avocado oil and hyaluronic acid. It's very soothing and relief for dry, chapped and rough skin. And it's got no parabens, silicone, minerals and color added. So I would recommend this if you're looking for a travel size hand cream. Links to this are going to be down in the description box below. Hi guys, it's evening time. After lunch I slept for a little bit. Now we're just chilling by the beach with my... What did you guys find?
This is a white stone, I think.
She found
two seashells.
So
Let's go front, guys, and then we'll see so nice.
What? What are you telling them?
Let's go behind.
Lighthouse out here. We can go on top of that and there's an amazing view. Let me show you guys the lighthouse first. That's the lighthouse and you see the antenna over it. So I'm gonna go in it very soon and then I'll show you guys the view from top. It's amazing. But the thing is, you don't have a lift inside, so you have to like climb. Okay, coming. So you have to climb, but there's a lot to climb. Like last time we went, and it was insane. So I'll take you guys along. Not right now. When I look a little presentable, so that I can take some good pictures as well. So yeah. Anya, why are you putting water?
The sides.
Why? So that it stays?
Yeah. I'm decorating seashells. Get me a little.
Yeah. Anya, what are you doing? Wow. Hi guys, so we're done with dinner.
Yeah.
We ate some yummy dinner. Ow! We ate some yummy dinner. Now we're just chilling in the bedroom. I'm chilling with my baby cutie cousin.
And my cutie sister.
Yeah, you are very cute, baby.
Now what should we do, guys?
What should we do, guys, now?
Maybe let's talk and play.
Yeah, we'll play. I'll play with her. So yeah, that's our night scene. I'll keep you guys hooked if we do anything interesting, or if not, we'll see you guys in the morning. Do you want to tell anything to these guys? Bye guys. Good night.
Good night. Subscribe for Shakshi Shetty channel. She does everything. She does makeup and she just dresses very nice. And her face is very cheeky. She gives me the and what happens? She also gets me a chai.
What? She gets me what?
Some nice things. Bye guys. In morning we'll show the video of ours.
Okay.
And we'll make another video.
Okay.
Bye and good night. Bye and good night.
Give them a flying kiss.
Mwah. 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 Ah!